Hi everybody, David Hall here, and I am going to show you how to use the Iorad tutorial making tool. It is an extension, and I already have it installed up here. You can see that. And to install it, you can look at the email I have sent. So I am going to start this process. So I'll go up to it, and I'm going to click Capture, and I'm automatically going to capture. And what I'm going to make a tutorial on is how to make a banner, a custom banner for a Google form. So I'm going to go up to New and go down to Drawings. And then I need to adjust the size. So I go down to Page Setup. And I need to make this first pixels. And I want 1600 by 400. And click OK. And now I'm going to do something simple. So I'm just, because you would design yours any way you want, I'm just going to make it a design in the background and make it a gradient. So I go up to the fill, go to gradient. I'm going to do a custom gradient. And let's see, I want to start with deep red. And let's just go to a green, make it radial. And let's throw one more color in there to get something different in there. Let's go to a bright blue and adjust it like that. Okay, and there it is. And then I would download this as a JPEG, and that could be uploaded right into Google Forms. So now I'm going to stop Iorad and click Done. And now it's going to put the tutorial together. So you can see I have 37 steps. I'm clearly going to lower that down. The first step is to open Google Drive. And click New. And that's exactly what I'm doing. And then click More and Google Drawing. Okay, now that I am finished, I am going to preview. And this is what it's going to look like. So I'll give it a name. And it has to be public and else, and here's the link. So this is what it's going to look like. Click New, click More in Google Drawing, click File. You can see how it creates it step by step. And it tells you everything over here. All right, preview and finish. And that's it. I click Finish. I can share it with a link for everyone who wants to see it. And let me just copy that so you can see what it will look like. So if you send this to your students or anyone else, it will look exactly like this. There's 12 steps, about 2 minutes to go through, and it tells you everything. And here are your steps over on the right, and the writing that we did, and step by step, exactly what you're supposed to be doing, all on its own. I hope this helps you on creating tutorials for your students. If you have any questions, please talk to Mark or myself. Thank you very much.